Hello and happy holidays, everyone. Today, since I was doing all the cooking for Thanksgiving for my house, I decided to look at the spices in my cabinet and decided to clean out my little caddy that I had on my countertop that I was not using and checked out the spices that was on the rack. They were so old. I mean, I've never even heard of some of this stuff, so I threw everything out and started over fresh with the spices I have in my cabinet and just put labels on them, placed them in the jars, and seal the tops on them. They come with the little holes in them so you can sprinkle it out. And this is the cabinet after I finished whatever spices I had left over. I left in the cabinet that didn't fit in a jar, and I put packages in this little caddy. And then I placed it back on the countertop, cleaned everything up. I used this P-Touch printer label maker, and this is the finished product of my spice rack. So I hope you enjoy watching today and you enjoy your holiday, and happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.